folks, check it out. We have the armor slider from JuzhEDC, JuzhEDC. Why is it so quiet though? Well, I took the tuning forks out of it. But we're going to put them back in during this review and show you what it really sounds like. This, as just a standalone slider, no tuning fork, is awesome. Really cool features, big ass box with a ton of extras. Let's check it out here. You've got different style protective sides. This is like the OtterBox of sliders. It's really wild. You've got a tool. You've got tuning forks, which we're going to put back in. You've got extra magnets of 2 sizes. Those are your inside magnets and your edge magnets, or corner magnets rather. You've got O-rings. You've got additional plate tape. You've got the lanyard option. You've got O-rings. You've got a nice carrying bag. And then you've got the OtterBox edge side with the lanyard hole. And then your QC stuff and a little card. So many extras. Let's take it apart and we'll put these tuning forks in and show you guys what that sounds like. Yeah, so these edges are a protective plastic, which makes for a really nice touch, especially when you're just trying to take care of these things. You don't want them to get scratched. You really want to potentially have to resell if you want to get something new or they release a new slider. This one is from JuzhEDC. Shout out MetaEDC.com. Come on, baby, there it is. All right, so I taped one side, but you can see that these are stainless steel plates. And kind of that ripple pattern, which has a great feel when you do just the stainless steel on stainless steel. I put this tape on here, I don't know, just for fun, just to see if I liked that, and I haven't taken it off yet. So, put the pieces together, and then like an Oreo, open it up, and there's the inside. Now this puppy rings, and I don't know if it has something to do with the most sliders that are tuning fork have the tuning fork attached to the plate. This one has the tuning fork attached to the shell. So when you lift it off, that piece pops out, and now you can change out your edge if you want to have the lanyard version, or the other one is like a straight edge. This one's got like a little curve to it. So it supports your fingers a little more, but it's all dependent on the look and feel that you want. Here's the old tuning forks. Pop this one out too. Let's get them both back in there. So you stick that in there. Get teeny tiny screw right on there. Oh shit, I thought that was magnetic. Guess not. I want to make sure that that's not touching, so kind of straighten it out. I don't know, I thought it was going to make a tuning fork sound when I dropped it, but maybe not. Pop this back on the side. That right down in the middle. Let's get these screws back in. This thing really impressed me. There have been a lot of this brand's track sliders that they looked cool, they looked like something I wanted, and I know some people that actually really like them, but it was never for me. I couldn't figure out why. But this free floating slider is awesome. Now, just because I want to bore you to death, I'm going to put in the other side while you sit here and stare. Going to talk about the inauguration's coming up Monday. How exciting. Let's not get into politics, but how about this cool box? I think I'm going to raise the camera up a little bit for the new setup so that you get a little more, a better peek at the amount of stickers that myself and my kids have pasted on this box. This was before Ray McCarthy came along and made the play box, which you can see right here, right? Which is just the most killer Fidget container, and it's also the tray that I use. This was my original piece, which is just a jewelry box from Amazon. All right, back to it. We got the tuning fork in. Pop that on there. Tighten that in. As a standalone slider, I mean, I know a lot of people are not looking for yet another slider. Maybe you are. Sure you are. You're fidgeters. This thing works phenomenally. As a tuning fork slider, even better. Definitely worth it. Great piece. That is the armor slider.